I'm Jim Myers, Executive Vice President of Art and Negative Graphics. Well, the company started in 1981 in a small little garage in Hyattsville, Maryland, about 5 miles outside of Washington, D.C. Today we're a full-service commercial printer, direct mail, wide format signage, and fulfillment company. We have a 60,000 square foot facility. We employ about 48 employees. We specialize in the healthcare industry, higher education, nonprofit, and state and local governments.
I'm Jason Wilburn, Chief Financial Officer for Art Negative Graphics. In 1985, my father purchased his first screen piece of equipment. It was a scanner, a 608, when we were a pre-press only company. Then in 2001, kind of forced by the industry, we had to go into printing. So we again looked to screen for a CTP device. I first got the idea about direct mail printing when we got our wide format device. I did some research in 2017 and figured out who the major players were in the inkjet printing market. With screen, just like in our past dealings, they always do what they say they're going to do when they say they're going to do it. And it meant something that Screen's president himself came down to see us twice.
They also made us feel comfortable to make this move into inkjet, and that they were going to be behind us the whole way.
In 2020, we purchased the 520 HD. We were able to triple our business with one customer alone. We actually had to educate our customers about inkjet web. They're so used to printing shells and keeping shells throughout the year for overs and things like that needed in the traditional process when you had to laser things. With inkjet now, with screen, there are no overs. We print direct to count, and that saves the customers on the bottom line. We expanded so far into direct mail that the need for a second press was evident.
And when Screen came to us about the 560, we saw what its capabilities were, we had to put it on the floor.
One of the advantages of the 560 is its increased roll width size. It goes from 20 inches now to 22 inches. The new increased speed for coated paper on the 560 is also a plus. And for us at Art Negative, that covers 93% of our stocks here.
Another advantage is you don't need as much skilled labor, so the training time is very short compared to what it would be for a traditional way of learning the printing industry.
I'm James Castle and I'm the plant manager. There's 2 screens running 2 shifts. It takes less people to run the screens also. I mean, one person can run 2 at the same time. So we have one person run both machines on day work, one person run both machines on second shift. And it's way faster than the sheet fed. There's no make ready. Print it on the screen, address it, personalize it, whatever you have to do. Put it on the uncler, cut it, send it to the post office.
My name's Cody Treader, and I run both the 560 HDX and the 520 HD. Running the screen press compared to offset press is night and day. It was a lot easier, and yeah, the quality it's awesome. I don't ever see myself going back to a sheet fed.
Well, I would imagine eventually the offset press probably won't be there.
The image quality is amazing. I mean, it looks exactly like sheet fed. It's crazy. We're reaping the rewards from that.